Now I finally think I found someone to guide me through the storm. I wanna build a home, stone by stone.
Well, it's the next day. I didn't actually do the demoulding because my mould is giving up the goose. It's actually cast hundreds of blanks now, and it's starting to split and stuff, so it took me a little while to get them out. Not that it'll stop me using it over the next couple of days, but I'll need to go and order a new one. So Paul, I'll be coming your way for a new blank. So anyway, that's done here. I'm going to keep this bit quite brief really, because you can't see too much. Now there's a ribbon there, and I'm not sure if we will see this change in colour at all. Oh yeah, you can. It'll be interesting to see. I wonder if they'll change. Yes, they do go darker. So I'm going to go away, get these cut up, and I shall do some photographs of them in daylight and out of daylight so that we can see what the difference is. I'm going to give them a good sanding down so that we can see the ribbons. These blanks will be up on Etsy, and by the time you're watching this, I'll put the link down below to them. Something very different really in this. This pigment will be something you're going to see again. I mean, this happens to be the red one. The blue one's another one I'm thinking of doing, and maybe casting it in some whites and stuff so it shows up. So anyway, I'll get this cut up. I'll get some photographs so that we can see how the ribbons fare. Thanks very much for watching.